How to delete your Tinder account. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can delete your Tinder account. So to do that, first of all, open the Tinder app on your mobile device and then make sure you are logged into your account. Now once you're logged in, your home page will look somewhat like this, where you'll have to tap on your profile icon on the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you will be taken to the profile page where on the top right corner of your screen you can see the little gear icon. Simply tap on it. After that, once you land on the settings page, you'll have to scroll all the way down to the bottom side of the screen, and sometimes it'll simply not load. So go to any page, and then once you scroll all the way down there, you can see the option delete account. Simply tap on it. After that, it'll provide you two different options. You can either pause your account or you can simply delete your account. So since we are here to delete our account, we'll tap on the option delete my account. And now you'll have to select a reason as to why you are deleting your Tinder account. But if you don't, you can simply skip this process. And now it'll again ask you whether you want to delete your account or pause your account. So simply tap on the option delete my account. And there you have it. That is basically how you delete your Tinder account. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys. And if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.